Azure Synapse SDK is a powerful tool that enables developers to build scalable and secure data integration pipelines. To get the most out of this tool, it is essential to follow best practices and tips that can help you optimize your workflow. First, understand the key concepts of Azure Synapse SDK, including data ingestion, data transformation, and data loading. Data ingestion involves collecting data from various sources, such as databases, files, and APIs. Data transformation involves converting and processing the ingested data into a suitable format for analysis. Data loading involves loading the transformed data into a target system for analysis and reporting. To start using Azure Synapse SDK, you need to install the SDK and import the necessary libraries. You can then create a new instance of the Synapse client and authenticate using your Azure credentials. Once authenticated, you can create a new pipeline and add activities such as data ingestion, data transformation, and data loading. One of the most important tips for using Azure Synapse SDK is to optimize your pipeline performance. This can be achieved by parallelizing data ingestion and transformation tasks, using efficient data loading techniques, and monitoring pipeline execution. You can also use Azure Synapse SDK to integrate with other Azure services, such as Azure Data Lake Storage and Azure Databricks, to extend the capabilities of your pipeline. Another crucial tip is to implement robust error handling and logging mechanisms. This involves catching and handling exceptions, logging pipeline execution, and monitoring data quality. By implementing these mechanisms, you can ensure that your pipeline is reliable and can handle unexpected errors and data issues. In addition to these tips, it is essential to follow best practices for security and compliance. This includes encrypting data in transit and at rest, using secure authentication mechanisms, and complying with regulatory requirements. By following these best practices, you can ensure that your pipeline is secure and compliant with industry standards. In conclusion, Azure Synapse SDK is a powerful tool that can help you build scalable and secure data integration pipelines. By understanding key concepts, following best practices, and implementing tips and techniques, you can optimize your workflow and get the most out of this tool. With its ability to integrate with other Azure services and extend pipeline capabilities, Azure Synapse SDK is an essential tool for any data integration project.